Do your knees crack every morning? It's not always just age. Very often, your body is simply low on collagen, the protein that holds bones and joints together. Instead of expensive supplements, try a simple cup of bone broth. They call it liquid gold because it nourishes your joints, eases pain, and even improves sleep. And it's not a myth. Scientific studies confirm that regular bone broth helps cartilage stay elastic and reduces knee pain. In the full video, I share 9 more foods that naturally restore collagen. Subscribe so you don't miss simple daily health tips. And share in the comments what helps you keep your joints moving. Your experience could inspire someone else.